Hello guys, welcome back to another Roblox. Welcome to a new Roblox video. Today we're playing Tornado. We're playing a tornado game where you chase tornadoes. I'm here. There's just a Oh! Holy freak, what was that? Oh, what the frick? Oof. Head to the tornado! We're going. Let me check the radar. There's a tornado warning. We can see on the map that there's a tornado warning. So we're kind of close next to the tornado warning there. 97 miles per hour winds. Kind of close to the warning here. We're heading inside the warning. We're inside one of the warnings right now. We are inside the tornado. Let's get out of this. Holy frick. Run! Head down to the other. Holy crap. No, we're dead. Guys. Oh, there's a freaking tornado. Oh, they're ripping up the... Wow! Run towards the tornado! Run! If you follow me, my username is HenryDunnery4703. You can join me whenever I play Roblox. Wow, it's gonna hit the barn! So I'm next to the tornado. I'm right here. I'm right on the edge. I'm right on the edge. Ah! I just got... There's a tornado forming. Let's check the weather. Storm Prediction Center. Oh, crap. Let's stay here at the Storm Prediction Center. Welcome on board with Weather Channel 74. Welcome aboard News Channel Weather 74. We are here with our cars, and we are going. There's tornadoes everywhere. We would like you to get into a safe. We would like you to get into a safe building. Like here's our storm prediction center. So here we are here at the Storm Prediction Center. There is a tornado warning, so there is like an there is an EF4 tornado in these red areas of the map. Tornado watches have been sighted. Welcome to Weather Channel 7 News. Today we are looking at a massive tornado supercell storm.
The good news, Achilles injuries are getting easier to treat. Reporter Carrie Beal shows us how an innovative procedure is getting...
There's going to be a tornado, so you know what it's time for. Follow us up the hill.
I love the activity, I love the community, I like the socialization. I've got to know so many people over the years.
He started feeling pain in the back of his right.
So here we have our little
At first, he ignored it, worried he wouldn't be able to keep playing.
get safe in a building now if you are outside. And if you are a storm chaser, we would like you to have stuff just in case you get sucked into a tornado, like a blanket and stuff.
Then, searching for a less invasive surgery option and thinking he would have to travel hours away to Durham, North Carolina.
This was literally within 10 minutes of my house. Was pretty amazing.
Dr. Daniel Drexler, a sports medicine physician at UNC Pardee outside of Hendersonville, suggested a procedure called TenJet. It can be done in different tendons. This example is showing the elbow. Removing the diseased tissue while sparing healthy tissue. The procedure can be done in a doctor's office instead of a surgery center. Making it cheaper and even faster. Jeff had to Achilles tendon a year ago.
I was probably there under 30 minutes for the whole thing. So it was very easy. I felt like I was ready to go play tennis like 3 weeks after the procedure as I was going.
He didn't get to playing there quickly because he listened to his doctor and made sure the Achilles tendon was fully healed. That took about 3 months. Now he's back on the court.
Yeah, the procedure has been such a blessing.
Dr. Drexler says he has performed more than 30 of these procedures at his office, and certain patients can also reduce prices based on income. In Greenville, South Carolina, I'm Carrie Deal.
We have a tornado touchdown on the water.